how to make ChatGPT read responses out loud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT read responses out loud. Have you ever wished for a more dynamic interaction with ChatGPT? Whether you're multitasking, have visual impairments, or simply prefer auditory learning, then this feature can enhance your experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your ChatGPT and then search for anything that you want. So once you do it, it will give out the response, and then on the bottom you can see various icons, and there is a speaker like icon. So if you just tap on it, then ChatGPT will start reading out the answer for you. It's as simple as that. However, you can choose the voice of the ChatGPT. For that, you'll need to tap on the two lines on the top left and then tap on your profile. Now you'll need to scroll down and you'll find the voice option. If you tap on it, then you can choose from various voices right here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.